Hello everyone, welcome to this short course Logistic Regression Analysis in R for Manuscript Writing. In this course, we learn logistic regression in practical and simple way using RStudio. This is not a theory-heavy course. Instead, we will learn by doing a real data analysis example step by step. Our example research objective is to assess the association between sugar consumption and heart disease. Here, heart disease is outcome variable, sugar consumption is exposure variable. Based on this objective, I have prepared a simulated data. This is our simulated data. First, we did some data management steps. Then I summarized the data using GT summary. This is the summary table. Mean, standard deviation, frequency, proportion, p-value, etc. Then I prepare bar diagram for assessing the outcome variable distribution. I also assess the distribution, the continuous variable BMI using box plot. And finally, logistic regression analysis, unadjusted odds ratio and adjusted odds ratio, and prepared publication ready table. This is our final table. Then we have discussed how to write the result for manuscript.